they're more advanced or just they're larger boards?
This is really, what you're looking at here is first generation. It's called our EV board, and it's really almost all off-the-shelf components. Our newer technology, the board that we're putting out this year, is called Stratos. It involves our own FPGA chip that we researched and put together. It takes all the calculations off the computer and puts them on the board itself, so it's doing a lot of the work for you. So you don't need like a supercomputer to do any of this. We're hoping that, you know, in retail situations, whether we're digital signage or we're in some kind of location base, that we won't need a giant VR laptop to kind of run what we're trying to do, that the board itself will do a lot of the work. So price points are coming down. We have a lot of different form factors, what we call reference designs. One that we call touch base is one that we've shown at CES and other trade shows. It's a much nicer. This is very like rough and scientific looking, right? The newer ones are very refined. They have a nice shell around them and logos and cool. They look like commercial products. And so that's kind of where we're heading in the next year, is taking what our new platform is, which is Stratos. The Explorer platform is going to look something like this with like a nice cover on it. And then we also have the Inspire, which is Stratos Inspire. It's more of like a rectangular, and it's actually at a tilt. So you can put it like in front of a sign or in front of your laptop, in front of anything to kind of run a simulation. But the idea is that it looks like a commercial product. So you can put it out in front of your customers and it looks nice. Versus this is very much a development board, and that's why it kind of looks rough. It's supposed to. So yeah, the price points, they're actually coming down. So as we go forward in time, the price points get cheaper because we're starting to use our own technology, our own chips, and you know, our goal is for things to get faster, smaller, cheaper over time, so that eventually we start to think about getting into the home. So we want to be in your washing machine, we want to be on your stove, we want to be everywhere, in your car. And so not just for video games, not just for location-based, but we want you to expect to feel things everywhere you go, even though there's nothing there, because we've got you covered.
Yeah, I was also wondering, you mentioned like using this in cars and washing machines and all that stuff, so you don't have to actually physically touch things. Are you hoping to use it mostly for that, or are you hoping to use it for that and also on the more gaming side of things?
We like both. So we really feel like we have a unique advantage in the location-based space because you don't have to put it on any equipment. There's massive hygiene benefits to not having to touch gloves or touch screens and things. And so we win there. Medical field, they like us a lot because the same reason. You can have medical equipment you don't actually have to touch, so it's very sterile and hygienic. But I think we want to be everywhere. Right now we're focused on automotive, digital signage, and now we're starting to look at location-based entertainment, which includes AR and VR. But really we're so early on the technology, we're figuring things out. And I think the more we figure things out, the more use cases we're trying to figure out and get into and find new ways to kind of use this technology to help.
The other fun thing is that since we're all kind of doing this in midair, and it's completely reconfigurable on the fly. So one day you can have a button, the next day you can have a keyboard there, next day you have a knob, an animal, whatever you want. So that way you don't have to really worry about it just being limited to one use. It's just you have it and then anything you desire is there.
So we're doing a lot of VR at the show today. We've been tinkering quite a bit with AR as well, so we like the idea that you could have virtual holographic things that you see through your headset. You reach out and now you can feel them. There's no other technology that really allows you to do that, so we think that we have a unique opportunity to showcase interaction with holograms that nobody else can really do.
That's cool. Thanks for showing.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for coming by today. It's really nice to get you done.